I'll never forget the day I realized I was done. Not tired, done. Done feeling overworked and underpaid. Done giving my best to something that didn't give anything back. Done waking up with anxiety about bills and going to sleep wondering if things would ever change. You know that point where something inside you just says enough. That was my moment. I didn't know how. I didn't have a plan, but I knew I couldn't keep doing this. At that moment, the one that felt like rock bottom, that was actually the turning point, because that's where the 2-hour workday began. If you've ever felt stuck in life, I get it. You watch other people online talking about freedom, but you're sitting there thinking, what am I missing? You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You've just been playing a game where the rules are rigged. See, most people are trained to trade time for money. Work 8 hours, get paid once. Work 0 hours, get paid nothing. That's not freedom. That's a modern form of survival. I wanted something that could keep working while I lived. And when I discovered how to build an automated digital business that worked for me, one that could produce $1,400 days from a single sale, everything changed. Before we go deeper, do this now. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com and grab the Freedom Formula Blueprint. It'll show you how to set up the exact 2-hour workday system I use, the one that helps people all over the world learn how to earn daily without paid ads or cold messaging. All right, let's break down what really changed my life. I used to think success meant working harder than everyone else. But here's the truth. If hard work alone made people wealthy, construction workers would be millionaires. It's not about working hard. It's about working smart with leverage. When you learn how to create leverage, you stop trading hours for dollars. You build something once and it pays you again and again. For me, leverage looked like this. A system that runs 24/7. A process that turns views into leads, leads into sales, and sales into freedom. I wasn't the product anymore, the system was. And that was the turning point, shifting from effort-based income to system-based income. Here's what the 2-hour workday really looks like. It's not magic, it's math. Step 1, create content that attracts attention. 3 short videos a day. Each one answers a problem, tells a story, or plants curiosity. Step 2, lead viewers to your free offer. For me, it's the Freedom Formula Blueprint, a free resource that teaches people how to build their businesses. Step 3, let automation do the follow-up. When someone enters their email, they're added to a fully automated system that educates, nurtures, and converts them. You do the work once and it keeps paying you forever. That's leverage. And that's how you can turn 2 focused hours a day into a business that works while you sleep. Before this model, I used to sell a product that made me $14 a sale. I had to find 100 customers just to make $1,400. That was exhausting. Then I found the digital products model, where one sale could equal $1,400 in 100% profit. That changed everything. Now let's do the math. $1,400 a day equals $42,000 a month, equals $511,000 a year. Even one sale a week is $5,600 a month. That's the power of digital leverage. Not guaranteed, not overnight, but possible. Because results depend on your effort, so don't be typical. Most people fail not because they're not capable, but because they're distracted. They're in 1,000 directions, chasing every trend, watching every video, trying every side hustle. But focus is the new freedom. When you put all your energy into one proven system, you multiply your results. I built my income by mastering one skill, creating consistent content that led to one blueprint. That's it. No fancy funnels, no complicated tech, just structure and consistency. And once you master that rhythm, you realize how much peace there is in simplicity. People always ask me, Dan, how can automation be personal? Here's how. Automation doesn't replace connection, it scales it. When someone enters your funnel, they're not getting random spam. They're getting messages written to help them, inspire them, and guide them step by step. It's like having a mentor that never sleeps. And that's why this model works, because it combines automation with authenticity. When I first started, I doubted myself constantly. What if I fail again? What if I'm not cut out for this? But every time I wanted to quit, I remember the alternative: staying stuck, stressed, and overworked and underpaid. That's when I realized something. Failure isn't when it doesn't work. Failure is when you stop showing up. So I kept showing up for myself, for my future, for my freedom. And that's when things started shifting fast, because consistency compounds. Let's talk numbers again. One sale a day, $42,000 a month. One sale every other day, that's $21,000 a month. One sale a week, $5,600 a month. Now, I'm not saying it happens instantly, it takes effort and learning. But you tell me, would you rather chase small commissions forever or focus on one digital system that's already proven to work? That's what the blueprint at sevenfiguremonk.com shows you. It walks you through exactly how to build your first automated system step by step, even if you're brand new. The difference between people who win and people who quit isn't talent, it's environment. When you're surrounded by winners, you think bigger. When you're surrounded by people who are stuck, you stay stuck. That's why I built my business inside a community of 6- and 7-figure mentors who show up every week with live trainings, daily videos, and step-by-step support. You're not doing this alone. You're doing this with people who actually want to see you win. That's rare, and it changes everything. Because entrepreneurship doesn't have to be lonely when you're building it the right way. If you're serious about changing your life, here's the one mindset shift that makes it real. Stop chasing shortcuts. Start building systems. Every shortcut eventually takes you in a circle. A system takes you forward. It's predictable. It's sustainable. It's scalable. And once you learn to build systems that sell for you, you'll never think small again. So here's the truth. The turning point isn't when you make your first sale. It's when you decide you're never going back to the old way. That's when the real transformation begins. Because this isn't just about money. It's about peace. Peace of mind, knowing your bills are covered. Freedom to travel, to create, to live on your terms. The ability to focus on what matters most. That's the promise of the 2-hour workday. And that's what's waiting for you when you finally stop overthinking and start acting. So here's what to do next. Go to sevenfiguremonk.com right now. Download your Freedom Formula Blueprint. You'll see exactly how this 2-hour workday system works step by step. You'll learn how to launch your business in one day, plug into our community of mentors, follow the 2-hour workday schedule, post 3 pieces of content daily, go live on social media, let your automations do the follow-up, scale with mentorship and training. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is the one where you decide you're done waiting, because freedom doesn't show up, you build it. And you can start right now at sevenfiguremonk.com. The turning point isn't luck, it's a choice. One decision to stop surviving and start creating. And when you make that choice, that's when the 2-hour workday becomes more than a concept. It becomes your reality.